Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to explore a question that many people ask themselves: can a person be really happy? Happiness is something that everyone desires, but what does it really mean to be happy? According to research, happiness is not just a feeling of pleasure or satisfaction, but also a sense of meaning and purpose in life. Happiness does not depend on external factors, such as money, fame, or relationships, but rather on how we perceive ourselves and our circumstances. Happiness is also not a constant state, but a dynamic process that involves balancing positive and negative emotions, and cultivating habits that support our well-being. Some of the habits that can help us become happier are: 1. Prioritizing happiness. This means choosing activities and goals that align with our values and passions, and not letting others or society dictate what makes us happy. 2. Expressing gratitude. This means appreciating what we have and what others do for us, and expressing it verbally or in writing. 3. Showing compassion. This means caring for ourselves and others, and being kind, empathetic, and helpful. 4. Practicing mindfulness. This means being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment, and accepting them without judgment or resistance. 5. Building relationships. This means connecting with people who support us, inspire us, and make us laugh, and investing time and energy in nurturing those bonds. In conclusion, happiness is not a destination, but a journey. It is not something that we can achieve once and for all, but something that we can practice and improve every day. Happiness is not a matter of luck or circumstance, but a matter of choice and attitude. Happiness is not something we can find outside of ourselves, but something we can create within ourselves. Happiness is possible for everyone, if we are willing to work for it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.